quite a few conversations where I tell people that I do my own gel nails, and then somebody tells me, well, I did it too, it didn't work, it doesn't work. And I know exactly why it didn't work for you. There's a learning curve and a very particular process, but once you get it, you save so much money. I've been doing it for years now, and these are 3 weeks old. They're ready to be redone. I'm gonna take the polish off, reshape them, and then I'm gonna apply a new color. So in order to take off the previous polish, you need to take a pretty rough nail file, take the first coat off, then you're gonna take cotton, dip it in this pure acetone, lay it on top of your nail, and then I have these little caps, and it looks like this. So you want to make sure that you soak your nail for up to 10 minutes. It usually doesn't actually take that long. And then you're going to want to scrape the polish off with a tool that looks like this. I think it's usually meant to push back cuticles. So once you have all of your polish off, you just want to buff your nails to make sure that there's no more polish on there. And then we're gonna shape our nails with a nail file. So to file my nail, I usually go on each side to make sure that the nail is not right on the skin. And then I square it out at the top, and then maybe I'll round it out on the edges. I do like to get an almond shape though. So I just finished filing my nails, and now I'm gonna push the cuticles back, which is probably one of the most important steps and should not be skipped. And I'm gonna use the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. And then I'm gonna take that same tool I removed my polish with, and I'm gonna push my cuticles back. And then we're gonna scrape them, and I'll show you that next. So I use the Gelish machine, and I have a foundation coat, a top coat, and then this is the color that I'm gonna use. Okay, so I'm gonna put on the foundation coat. I already did these two nails. And then once this hand is done, you can stick it into the gel machine for about 30 seconds. Okay. I just applied the first coat of color. It's supposed to be pretty thin, and then you can put it into the machine for 1 minute. Now your nails are done, but you want to remove the residue with some rubbing alcohol, so I'm gonna go do that now. Now we're done, that's all you had to do. I know it can be really daunting if you've never done it before, but like I said, it is a learning curve, but it becomes so quick and easy once you learn it.